Who is a Siddha and what is the eligibility to start learning Siddha Yoga?
The first SIDDHA Yogi was Shiva himself. The second was Parvati. Parvati taught Nandi and Nandi taught Agastya. Shiv Ji taught Matsyendranath Ji and Matsyendranath Ji taught Gorakshnath Ji. Okay? So that line that comes from Shiv Ji, Matsyendranath Ji, Gorakshnath Ji forms the Himalayan Siddha tradition. Later it came to include Padmasambhava and many other great Siddhas, Mahasiddhas. And the southern tradition follows, and you have the southern Siddha tradition as well, starting from Agastya, Tirumular and the 18 Tamil Siddhas and so many other Siddhas. Okay? So this tradition has been going on since forever, since the beginning of time, and Siddhas are miraculous beings. They are able to have complete control over their emotions, their body and their mind, and create new things with the help of Siddha Yoga, which means they look for new challenges and they keep solving them. To qualify to learn Siddha Yoga, you should be looking for new challenges in your life. You should be wanting to challenge yourself mentally and physically. People who are wanting relief, you are qualified for Siddha Compassion, and there are many free things Siddhas will teach you for you to get over your problems. Get over problems, and when you feel like you really need to do something, that's when a Siddha will accept you as a student.